this point of time in this technological world, I think it's safe to assume that most of us have email accounts or are familiar with email accounts already. It can be Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, or even AOL Outlook, where we can send and receive electronic mail. Do you check your email inbox regularly? If you do, you're in for a great and simple way to make money. You just need to open and read emails. That's a pleasurable job description, right? Moreover, if you're skeptical about this being a scam or online fraud, throw those thoughts away because you don't need to release any amount of money because registration on paid-to-read email is absolutely free. Yes, you can get a free chance to earn money, and as long as you're determined to read more emails, you will receive more money. Being a paid email reader has no difficult qualifications, no interviews, and no experience requirements. If you want to venture into this website, you just need to have two things. First is, of course, an email account. This will be your virtual workplace. If you don't have any email accounts yet, you can search the web for Yahoo or Gmail Signup or any of your preferred email services, or install them from the Play Store. Input necessary information such as name, preferred username, mobile number, password, and that's it. I'm sure setting up email accounts is not much of a struggle for all of you. Secondly, where will your money be deposited when you cash out? This is why you need a PayPal account. The sign-up process is also easy. Just go to paypal.com or install the PayPal app, and just like Gmail and Yahoo, create an account for free. When you have these things settled, you're ready to register. For the next step, you need to go to paidtoreademail.com, the website that will make your dream of earning money easily possible. These are some of the website's features. First, your email account will receive daily paid emails. When you open it, you can get your money right then and there with a quick payment processing within hours. They also offer a generous payout limit, which means you can start transferring your earnings once you achieve the minimum redeemable amount. Of course, as I've said earlier, joining is completely free, and you won't incur any financial obligations even when paying out. Another magnificent feature is that if you activate your account, you'll receive a free $3 sign-up bonus as a starter. Then you should take the daily paid services so you can make some more cash. To activate your account, after going to paidtoreademail.com, you just need to select your gender, your initial name, email address, and password before clicking the sign up button. You can sign up and receive the $3 bonus by clicking the send button. As soon as you've completed the previous step, you can proceed to the page where you'll see the words, "Thank you, your account has been activated." Your paid to read email account is now active. By this point, you should now be able to view the free ways to earn money. One of those is Cash Survey, where you just need to answer random surveys. Upon clicking the Cash Survey button, you'll be introduced to three main survey categories. First is your survey, which you can access an unlimited number of times. Second is the Opinion Survey, which will obviously ask for your opinion about certain topics. You can utilize these two survey categories as much as you want, since they're unrestricted. Meanwhile, the third type of survey is the Dynata Survey, which is different since you can only try it 10 times a day. You can receive rewards ranging from 35 cents to $1 for each completed survey. The rewards will be deposited into your account once you finish the surveys. Here's a bonus tip to help you increase your revenue on this website. When you check into your account every day, you should complete all of the Dynata survey categories, including the limited surveys. You can get $4 if you finish this category because you completed the survey. After that, you'll be able to access an unlimited number of surveys from your surveys and opinion surveys. If you've completed all of the cash surveys available, you can return and look into cash offers as another way to earn money. This option will present you with opportunities to try an item for free and be paid for giving your feedback, which is a deal you can surely benefit from, right? Earnings from this option will also proceed to your dashboard and will be added to your total balance. Now, for the main highlight of this paid-to-read email platform, we will now discuss your earning process for opening and reading emails. You only need to click Open to read emails, and then you may click on the pictures or the link, which will direct you to a random website. Don't worry, as these websites are not dangerous or illicit websites, but often lifestyle websites, blogs, and other sites that can be viewed safely. There will be some times when directions are followed. Sometimes you'll receive instructions, but most of the time you don't have to do anything at all. You just have to stay on the website for at least 30 seconds, right there on the website. Passing the 30-second test verifies that you're a human and not a robot. Basically, you can just browse the site by scrolling around it. You don't have to read the text shown on the website, and you can even just scroll up and down. I'm sure you can do this on your phone, on your laptop, or on your computer. It's really a relief that you can do this anywhere and anytime. You can even do other things like doing household chores and watching television, because this task doesn't require full attention. You just have to make sure that you click the correct links and scroll up and down until the timer is up. And after a few seconds, you will receive your money, which will be credited to your account. So when we return to the dashboard, you should see that you've received your initial $3 as a sign-up incentive, plus your accumulated earnings from surveys and emails. You can always repeat the process as many times as you want, since the more you read, the more you earn, right? Just open another email sent by the website, click on the bottom of the email to go to the random website again, and just to make it absolutely clear, you don't have to care about the actual content of the email. You just have to open it and scroll on the site for less than a minute. But here's a reminder so that you won't get confused. The reward for every email opened varies a lot from each other. It can range from something like 45 cents to $1, but as long as you open and read numerous emails, you'll surely get a hefty sum. Imagine the number of emails you can open in one day, and what more if you use the paid-to-read email site every day for weeks, months, or even a year. If you're persistent enough, you can even earn more than regular employees. And another one, they have a special referral program where you can earn more money by referring friends. You'll get 15% of all referral profits off the wages of your pals, which is absolutely free passive income, if you share a link of the website along with your personal banner code. You didn't do any of the work on your own and just simply share this offer with your friends or other people, and you'll receive a part of their earnings without having to make any effort. That's it for today's video.